Hey Jeannie and Cotton fans! Welcome to the Jeannie and Cotton Show. So today we're so excited because we're going to be doing the 60-second slime challenge. So we're super excited for this, and here are the materials we're going to be using.
Alright guys, so we both have a little ice cream cup that is empty right now. We decided we are going to start this first challenge with the clear slime glue.
Yes, so we're going to be making clear slime, and then we're going to use a color. I'm using this purple color.
We both have some activator here, and we do have some water. We need to bring the water closer.
Yes.
Okay.
And her color is going to be blue.
So we're going to see if it's even possible to make a decent slime in 60 seconds. Yeah. What do you guys think? Normally it takes us a long time to make slime.
And it's going to be crazy after me.
So, who do you think's going to win? We want to make some stretchy slime.
And we're going to be selling it on my Etsy.
If it turns out.
Yeah, if it doesn't turn out, then we're not going to do that to you guys, but...
Alright guys, let's get started.
Let's go! Hey guys, so we're about to get started and I'm kind of getting nervous.
Alright guys, so I'm going to push the timer and we are going to get started. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love this color. Oh, I like your color too.
Oh, it's activating.
Okay, it's at 33, 32, 31. Oops. Okay, we need more activator. Oh, I don't know that mine's going to work. Ooh. Oh.
This is
okay, mine's getting close. Come on, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's see if we can touch it.
Oh gosh.
I need more activator. Ooh. Oh, time's up.
Oh, and I can actually touch it.
Okay.
So we're probably going to add more activator to these only because, only because if we're going to... Oh, God, I made way.
Okay, well, let's see.
I made way more than 2 ounces on accident.
Okay, let's see if we can touch it. Let's see.
I'm not going to...
And we will complete these so that we don't waste it. Let's see if I can touch mine. Oh, it's not bad.
Mine's not bad either.
Oh, I love the color.
Do you like my color too?
Yes. It's a boy and a girl.
It's like a dark cotton candy.
Okay, so this is still a little too sticky.
Mine's too sticky to play with.
A little too sticky.
So, guys, we're just going to add a little more activator. And
Okay, so we really did not win this round. Next time, we are going to know that we have to put more activator in a lot faster. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little more activator in. I don't think the activator is strong enough for the clear glue.
Because it was going so slow, guys. I'm so glad we at least made it to at least looking like slime. You know what I mean? Or feeling it like it.
Okay, I think mine is officially slime. Actually a pretty good consistency too.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're going to do another challenge.